So what are cellular modems and how can I use them? Well, the cellular modem is going to give you cellular bonding to stream your LiveU Solo. So any USB modem will actually work with the LiveU Solo. You'll notice on the slide we actually have a Verizon USB modem that you can plug right into the unit. And then you have to go to Verizon and get a service plan from them and you are set to stream. Or there's the LiveU Solo Connect starter kits, which are 2 modem kits or 3 modem. If you have the 2 modem kit, it'll show you cellular bonding so you can get going. And LiveU's LRT will bond that whole signal together as one. Or there's the 3 modem kit, and what the 3 modem kit does is it will actually package a Wi-Fi hotspot that you can plug into your unit, and now you have the Wi-Fi hotspot with the cellular bonding of the other 2 units bonded by LRT, and you're ready to stream. So we've talked about the hardware of the LiveU Solo. I want to actually cut to a great pre-canned video from Adam, another member of our video production team, who's talking about the hardware setup of the LiveU Solo, setting your modems up, and how to go about doing that. So we'll have this first video on the hardware, and then a little later we're going to show you how to go into the UI of the Solo on their platform and set up the other side of things. So let's roll that video now.
Hi, I'm Adam Noyce, and I'm here today to talk to you about the basic setup for your LiveU Solo. Now, this is the product. It's small, it's compact, and it's lightweight. And the product has 4 data connections that you can use to stream. One is you can plug it into your network via Ethernet right here. 2 is you can connect it to your own wireless network via your local Wi-Fi. And 3 and 4, you can add USB cellular modems. The connections can be bonded together with LiveU LRT. LiveU Reliable Transport binds the data together in the cloud, so there is absolutely no worrying about your bandwidth falling below what you need to stream in HD. You can add your own cellular modems or data, or you can add the Solo Connect starter kit like these 2 modems here. There's also a 3 modem kit with a Wi-Fi hotspot available, and these are great because they are activated directly with LiveU with Solo Connect services, including the LRT cloud and unlimited data. Here is what the LiveU Solo looks like all hooked up together. I've connected a camcorder via HDMI behind me. Here are my 2 Solo Connect modems.